In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Snapchat not showing chats. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and we need to check if you have the latest Snapchat app version. To do that, I'm gonna open up App Store and then search for Snapchat. That's how we can easily find it. Now we need to open it up and hear if it says update. Then just stop on it and wait until it is done. So now the latest Snapchat version is being installed. We need just to wait for a while until it is done. And then once it is done, open up Snapchat and then check if it helps you or not. If for some reason it doesn't help you, then tap right here at your profile picture or Bitmoji. Then tap a dead gear to go to settings. After that, scroll down until you find support section here. Sorry for that feed box section here. Then we need to tap I supported a bog. After that, select Friends where it says Choose Topic. Select Chats. And after that here you need to describe your problem. Just write down here what happened to you. Let's say Snapchat app doesn't show me any chats. Please help me with that. And after that, just hit Submit to send your bug report to Snapchat support team, and they should help you with that. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button